Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, sub2api, a one-stop open source proxy service for major AI models. It unifies access to services like Claude, OpenAI, and Gemini, allowing developers to share subscriptions and efficiently split costs. This project simplifies the complex world of multi-API management, making it a must-see for any team working with AI. The cost of premium AI models can be a huge barrier. But what if you could treat your AI subscriptions kind of like a carpool? Imagine sharing the ride to services like Claude and Gemini and splitting the cost. Well, a project called sub2api is built on that exact idea, aiming to create a whole new economy for AI access. The project is called sub2api, and it's developed by Wei-Shaw. It's an open-source AI API gateway. The whole point is to centralize subscriptions from services like Claude, OpenAI, and Gemini. This lets operators distribute access and share the costs. And it's getting a lot of attention. The project has already pulled in over 17,800 stars, with more than 240 of those added just today. And with over 3,200 forks, it's clear the community is really interested and starting to adopt it. As more people and companies start using multiple AI services, a big problem emerges. It's tough to manage a chaotic mess of subscriptions, and splitting the costs is even harder. In the past, developers might have used simple proxy scripts, but those were pretty limited. They didn't have user management, precise billing, or a single unified interface. Sub2api tackles this problem head-on. It offers a complete, self-hostable, software-as-a-service platform. The real innovation here isn't just about forwarding requests. It's the carpool sharing model that allows an operator to pool multiple accounts and distribute access via new API keys, effectively turning expensive subscriptions into a manageable, metered utility. The design philosophy behind sub2api is all about being a robust, self-contained service. It's built with a high-performance Go backend and a modern Vue.js frontend. And here's a really clever detail. The Go binary can actually embed the entire frontend. This simplifies deployment down to just a single file. Now, two technical aspects really stand out. First, there's its smart scheduling with sticky sessions. This feature makes sure a user's entire conversation is always routed to the same upstream account, which is absolutely critical for maintaining context. You can think of it like a smart receptionist who always connects you to the same person you were talking to before. The second standout feature is its modern data layer. It uses Ent, a type-safe ORM, which generates database code directly from a schema. This approach eliminates entire classes of potential bugs. The project also uses Google's Wire for dependency injection at compile time. What this means is that all the application's components are wired together correctly before it even starts running. This boosts stability and makes the codebase much easier to maintain. It's a clear sign of high engineering discipline. So, who is this for? This project really serves three main groups. First up are entrepreneurs. They can deploy it to launch their own commercial AI API relay services, taking advantage of the built-in payment system. Second, companies can use it internally. It's perfect for managing AI resources, allocating budgets to different teams, and tracking usage down to the last detail. And finally, small developer communities can use it to pool their money and share those expensive subscriptions. What's great is that the barrier to entry is surprisingly low. The project provides one-click installation scripts and a pre-configured Docker Compose setup. This makes it accessible even if you don't have deep DevOps expertise. You can get a fully functional platform up and running in just a few minutes. While there aren't direct user reviews to look at, you can tell a lot about the project's health by its ecosystem. The README file prominently features a long list of sponsors. These range from commercial relay services to infrastructure providers, which is a strong signal of commercial validation. On top of that, you see community-built projects popping up, like a dedicated mobile admin console. This shows that developers are actively building on top of it and extending its capabilities, a clear sign of a vibrant and engaged user base. But despite its technical elegance, operating sub2api isn't without significant risks. The README file explicitly warns users that this kind of sharing might violate the terms of service of the AI providers. This creates a constant threat. Your upstream accounts could be suspended at any moment, which would instantly cripple the service. And there's more. By centralizing all this access, the platform becomes a high-value target for attackers. A single security breach could compromise all the underlying accounts and user data. The entire model really hinges on one big assumption, that the upstream providers will continue to tolerate this form of subscription sharing. And that's an assumption that might not hold up in the long run. So in the end, sub2api is much more than just a simple proxy. It's a complete, well-engineered solution for managing, sharing, and even monetizing access to powerful AI models. And why does this matter? It matters because it dramatically lowers the economic barrier to entry. It empowers smaller teams and entrepreneurs to build on top of the same cutting-edge AI that was once out of reach.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.